Many people who visit court do not fully understand how basic courtroom procedures work. Yet a courtroom is not an ordinary public space. It is a formal environment where serious decisions are made about freedom, guilt or innocence, children's futures, and sometimes matters of life and death. Understanding how to behave in court is not about fear. It is about respect. When the magistrate enters the courtroom, everyone is required to stand. This is not an empty tradition. Standing shows respect for the authority of the court and for the rule of law. Once the magistrate is seated and instructs the court to sit, members of the public may take their seats. Silence in court is not optional. Talking, whispering, laughing, or making comments, no matter how quietly, can disrupt proceedings and may be regarded as contempt of court. Cell phones must be switched off or placed on silent. Phone calls, message alerts, or notification sounds are unacceptable and may result in removal from the courtroom. Photography, video recording, and audio recording are strictly prohibited unless the court gives permission. These rules exist to protect the privacy and safety of victims, witnesses, and accused persons. Ignoring this may have serious legal consequences. Only certain people are permitted to speak in court. These include the magistrate, the prosecutor, the defense attorney, and witnesses when they are testifying. Members of the public may not ask questions, make comments, or communicate with anyone involved in the case, even if that person is a family member. If a member of the public is required to speak, this may only happen when the magistrate allows it. The magistrate must be addressed as Your Worship. Respectful language, a calm tone, and strict adherence to instructions are essential. Appearance and conduct also matter. Formal clothing are not required, but neat and respectful dress is expected. A courtroom is a serious space, and behavior should reflect that seriousness. The magistrate has the authority to maintain order in court. This may include issuing a warning, removing a person from the courtroom, or in serious cases, a finding of contempt of court, an offense with real legal consequences. South African courts are generally open to the public. This openness is a cornerstone of democracy. However, public access does not mean informal participation. Attending court is a privilege. With that privilege comes responsibility, to listen, to observe, and to respect the process. Because in court, knowledge is not only power, it is respect. This educational video was funded by Andre de Beer Attorneys, with more than 50 years' experience as a legal practitioner in Postmasburg.